Hey guys, here's a new simple Forex strategy that I tested 100 times and got a profit of about 455%. I explain it by an example. Here we are on the Euro USD and the chart is 15 minutes. We need the following indicators. The first one, the EMA, the exponential moving average. Then I open the settings and set the length to 20. And on the style tab, I make it a bit thicker. Okay, the next one is the higher high, lower low strategy indicator. On the style tab, I disable everything except the lines. And the line style on the input tab are set to solid. We need this indicator to display the market structure, the highs and lows. The last one is my own indicator, the Stochastics and RSI, that displays the RSI and the Stochastics in one panel. Okay, so let's start with the strategy. In this example we see a downtrend because we have lower highs and lower lows. Then again a low is broken with these candles here to the downside. And what I'm waiting for is now that price is coming up again to a zone of consolidation. I spotted here, price is consolidating at this area, and when price is coming back into this zone, into this rectangle, then I wait for a price action and a stochastics being overbought to enter the trade. I'm in replay mode and I'm going forward until price is tapping again into the zone that I marked. And here we are coming back into the zone and then breaking again the 20 EMA with this bearish candle. And we see that the stochastics is overbought but crossing again to the downside, and also the RSI is turning to a red color because it is crossing the level of 50. And here we are taking the trade. Very simple, the stop loss are set to a previous level, which is the low that was broken, that is lining up perfectly with the high of the previous candle. The take profit are set to the previous low, and the risk to reward has to be at least 1 to 1. Then I stay in the trade till the stochastics are crossing, which happens here, and then I have a risk to reward of about 1 to 1.8. Now let's have a look at an example for going long, the same time frame and the same pair. Here we have higher highs and higher lows, so it's an uptrend, but in this uptrend we see a downtrend which has to be broken, okay, and then it is broken. All these highs are taken out by this move to the upside. Okay, nice, but where's the consolidation? Where is price pausing when going to the upside? I see two potential zones here. This one, this kind of indecision candles. It is located at this previous high. And another one here before price is going up. I mark this as well and then I wait till price is tapping into one of these zones. So I step forward now in replay mode. And here we see price is going into the first zone, stochastics already oversold, now crossing, and then price is going up again over the 20 EMA, and the RSI kind of bouncing off the level of 50. And this is where I'm going to enter the trade. Stop loss are set to a previous level, this high that was taken out by the move to the upside, and the take profit as before to the previous high. Okay, the risk to reward is over 1 to 1, so we can take the trade. But then I stay in the trade as long as the stochastics is not crossing. Okay, here we already won the trade, but we stay in it because you see the stochastics is still going up. Alright, and here it is crossing, and this is the time to close the trade, but we have a risk to reward here of 3.2. In this strategy we are always risking 2% of the current account size. So in this example, I start with an account size of 10k, so 2% means risking $200, and this was a winning trade in which we earned $648. Okay, so let's backtest this strategy 100 times to see if it is really profitable. I use a backtester application for this. I set the initial balance to 10k, and then I add a new strategy that I call, for example, pullback to consolidation. As I said, the risk is always 2% of the current account size, And in the last trade we had a risk to reward of 3.2 and we won the trade. This means we are earning 6.4%. And now do the same for 100 trades. And this was trade 100 and we earned about 455%. So we started with a balance of 10k and after 100 trades the balance is about 55k. Of course there's no guarantee that this always works, it is just a backtest on historical data. So guys, that was it. I hope you liked the video. If you do, then please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Stay tuned. If you have any questions, add these to the comments below, follow me on Twitter, and I'll see you in the next one here on the Trading Guide.